Yes, sir. It's your boy Joe, man. I'm back with another video. Today, I promised you guys a part 2 of rolling this car out and getting it cleaned up. We haven't even put pictures online since we had the decal done. So here she go, man. She's a mess right now, but we're gonna get that taken care of today. Fire it up, get some heat in it, let it run. What y'all think, man? She's looking sweet. Sorry, looking sweet, boy. Yeah, man, we was doing some body work on it. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up. Y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. Those two beats you just heard were both produced by me years ago. But if you're looking to get some music done, you can holler at me for that as well. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, man. What you guys think about the decal, man? Yes, sir. That's my little, I guess that's my little saying, right? Yes, sir, man. She looking about right. Just clean it up, knock the dust off it. Tuning these doggone race motors, bro, something different. But we have 2 weeks. I guess I just spilled the beans. We got 2 weeks before we shake it down. Probably take care of it today, man. We working on 8 different things at one time. But I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man, thus far. Like I always say, 60-foot racing is not just about drag racing, guys. Do not shy away if you don't have a drag car. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be at the car shows. I'm gonna have people at the drifting events. I'm gonna have people at the grip events if I can. Hit me up if you want a decal, if you want to represent, man. It's all about Virginians, all about us, man. Putting the car scene back on the map the way it's supposed to be. Proper recognition for Virginia's car scene. Yeah, man, if you haven't just yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop a like for me, leave a comment, man. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you don't want to see, and what you want to see more of. 60-foot racing. Peace.